fight with Sankay Janjan because he already knows his consequence. Because we have our own consequence. Unlike Paulo Cruzada, who made lots of consequence, even Jeffrey Asedio, Gina Asedio, all of them, they have made their own consequence. Like us, we have made lots of consequence. Like, for example, we bully in social media. This is what I say to the social media etiquette. Here's a tip to you, to anyone. I do not mention those names, those tips. Oh, guys. This is hard to say to Sankay Janjan. Don't bully other people who are non-partisan. Because, that is a cyberbullying. For example, if you bully Mrs. Annie Gill, the mother of David Gill, you will get Sankay Janjan. Me, I was also in a barangay. I explained it to Mr. Dennis Gill, the father of David Gill, that who started who bash my wife, Mrs. Annie Gill, or the mother of David. I explained it. It was Sankay Janjan. For me, Sankay Janjan, you need to learn your lesson. You need to learn your lesson for what you have done. That is cyberbullying. Me, for example, unlike you, Sankay Janjan, I'm the one who started the bully to Teacher Jessa Fernandez, Teacher Vincent Ramos, Mang Rodelio Daguman, Paula Colin Nunez, and after Paula, next is JD Viniegas, and Luis Cabales. I know this is my fault. When I apologize to them, I learn my consequence. Sankay Janjan, that is your consequence. That is your fault. You're just like Larry Gadon. You say about Larry Gadon. He says about PI in Tagalog to Raisa Robles, and she says about PI. What's the Larry Gadon said? Putang ina mo, Raisa Robles. Indut ka. What she's saying, those words are really not nice. And Larry Gadon, who was sued for being disbarred. That is a violation of against Anti-Safe Space Act, or harassing women who were anti-Marcos. Sankay Janjan, you'll be similar to Larry Gadon. That is your fault. I know you have lots of consequences, you have lots of opportunity. I know that is your fault. Look, what does Kuya Bear says to me? When I interview him, when I upload it in my YouTube blog, when I upload it in TikTok, in my day, Kuya Bear says to me, when everyone who were anti-Marcos, they have their own opinion. And you see, Sankay Janjan, you're possessed by a demon. You're possessed by a Satan. You remember the Satan with the evil horns like this? Every Halloween, they have the Satan horn. That is your fault, Sankay Janjan. You're the one who bully Mrs. Annie Gill. You're the one who bully Banat Bay. You're the one who bully Mang Rodelio Daguman and other people who were anti-Marcos, who were supporting for Rodrigo Duterte. I know that is your fault, Sankay Janjan. You should not judge them. Have you never go to the church, Sangkay Janjan? Just like I was told by Luis Cabales or Kuya Bear. Oh, Kuya Bear says to me, oh, when people who are anti-Marcos, they have their own opinion. Oh, they have their own opinion. Like, for example, for me, I never bash Teacher Kel. When I bashed Teacher Kel last 2022, I bullied her. I know this is my regret that I made lots of mistake. That is my consequence. When I apologize to Teacher Kel, I never want to bully her. Oh, before she migrate to United States with her husband Eskel Penumbra in the US. Oh, you know, Sangkay Janjan, that is your fault. Like me, oh, for example, unlike you, Sangkay Janjan, I know this is my fault that I bully um, Teacher Gio Malana. And I'm the one who made the fake account on Facebook of Teacher Gio Malana, who made lots of mistake. I just made the consequence. Me. This is my fault. This is my consequence. When I apologized to Teacher Gio Malana, I reconciled with him in 2024. Before I reconciled with Mang Rodelio Daguman. Oh, that will be your regret, Sangkay.